In this video, I'm going to show you how to import the stickers I've designed and how to use them inside your navigator. The stickers I designed are properly made for GoodNotes. You will receive this file that ends in GoodNotes zip extension. So what I'm going to do now is go back to GoodNotes and import that file. Import Dropbox. Here it is, christmasstickers.goodnotes.zip, and I'm going to import it. All the sticker sets I'll be creating in the future will be organized just like this in a small brochure with instructions on how to use the stickers in the first page. If you want to copy the stickers inside your sticker book, which I highly recommend, you can use the method number 1 and copy entire page here with stickers and paste it inside your stickers book. If you only want to use one sticker, you have the step-by-step guide on how to do that. These are the stickers. Because of the grid background, you can see which stickers are in transparent background and which are not, like this one for example. And these are the pages for the stickers. Now let's copy the entire page using method number 1. I've used the lasso tool and made a rectangle around all the page, and then I'm pressing the pen right inside the rectangle and hit copy. When I'm going back to my navigator, let's go to notes, press the pen and hit paste. I'm going to just arrange them for a bit here, and that's it. If, however, I only want to copy one sticker, go back and choose one that fits with my navigator. I have the vertical layout and this one should fit better. I'm copying this here. I'm creating a small shape inside the sticker, then press the pen, hit copy, go back to my navigator. Let's go back to November. Hit paste, and here it is. You will notice that most of the stickers are properly resized to fit your planner, so you don't have to resize them all over again. Now you can add your information inside. If you want to delete the stickers, hit the lasso tool again, press on the sticker, hit delete, here you are. I'm going to create more stickers soon, so make sure you're following our channel.